Hello everyone, welcome back to the Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix controller is not working for the Starfield game and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So if you're having this particular issue, all you have to do is start with a simple restart. For this we just need to go over here in this particular icon, go to the power icon over here, go for a simple restart. Once the restart is done, we just need to try launch the game, and that will be helping guys out. So this is the first and foremost step you have to try out when it comes to how to fix the Starfield. You can try this step. If this is not working, we can move to the next one. That is all about we have to disable or enable the Steam input. For this, we just need to go over here in the Steam. Not there. Just go to the game, right click over here and go to the properties. Now from here we have to go to the controller, and there is an option over here called override for Starfield. Select this one. So you can start with enable the Steam input and you can try launching the game. If enable the Steam input is not working, we can try with disable the Steam input and we have to try launch the game. So either enable Steam input or disable Steam input might be working. It is very important that we should be changing this. You can try with enable the Steam input and launch the game. If enable Steam input is not working, we can move to the disable Steam input. You can try with enable or disable the Steam input. Once you're done with this one, we just need to close this and we just need to try launch the game, and that will be working fine. Next one is all about nothing but we have to disconnect other peripherals like mouse, joystick, controllers, etc., which is already connected. I don't know how this is related, but this did work for many users. What they do is they just exit the game. Once they exit the game, just remove everything. For example, the controllers, mouse, joystick, everything, they remove it. Once they remove it, they just launch the game. After game is successfully launched and it is back, they just connect it back and try launch the game, and that is how it's going to work. And this worked for many users, so we can try this out. Next one is all about nothing but we just need to try launching the game in the big picture mode. It worked for many users. For this reason, we have to go over here in this particular icon, enter big picture mode. So once you enter the big picture mode, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, now from here we have to go to the Starfield. Now from here we have to launch the game. So this worked for many users, and it is very important that we have to do like this. So once you launch the game, we can launch the game from the big picture mode, because launching the game from a big picture mode worked for many users. So you can try this out. So instead of launching the game from Steam, normally it didn't work, but for few users, when they launch the game from the big picture mode, it worked for them. So we just need to, once you launch the game, we need to exit the game. So just go over here in the Steam, go to the power, go for exit big picture mode. So once you exit the big picture mode, this is how it looks like, and this is what we have to do. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to move to the next step. That is all about we need to turn off the Steam overlay. For this, we just need to right click and we have to go to the properties. Now from here, there is an option called Steam overlay. This should be turned off. As you can see, this is already turned off. We have to turn this off, just close this, and we have to launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to use a wired controller. You should not be using this one. You should not be using anything. So just use the wired controller. And instead of using the direct one, just use the wired controller. And once you use this, we just need to close this and we have to go back and we just need to try launch the game. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you're having an issue with the controller is not working. How you can fix the Starfield is having an issue with the controller or it's not detecting. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.